Here up in Chico weekend, the last weekend of October 2011. Right here I got a friend named Patrick, a little scared to come up, but I'm telling him it's cool. You know? Come on, Patrick, come up. Ain't nothing gonna happen. I got your back, man. Wow. All that time.
You came all the way already over here. You might as well go a little bit extra. Or go underneath the rock. It's cool. Nobody will even trip.
Patrick here.
There you go. Stick close to the ground if you want. Like you can just like slide on over all the way over here. It don't matter. As long as you get over to like see on the. We'll be on this side. Yeah. He's worried like a red.
That's not that bad.
Exactly. Once you face it, it's a little bit different. You go over there. Yeah, right here.
Salah. Excuse me.
You're just afraid of heights and he made it, so.
Just jump over there on that little. Whoa, you gotta go, like you gotta go to the fence, you gotta take it, man. I'm telling you, once you get over there, it's all worth it. Like, you gotta do it.
Wow. I'm the king of the world!
I have to film this. What am I doing? Oh no, I don't have any memory.
Hey, there you are, you little weenie. Look how afraid he is, guys. He is sweating. But we tell him it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. I was trying to climb the fence over.